Hi friends, it's Pastor Angel and
Taka.
And
Abby.
we're so glad that you're joining us. Can you say hi?
Hi.
All right, are you guys ready for some worship?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna learn a Bible story, but I need you to get something ready first. And at home, I need you to get something ready, okay?
Yeah.
Can you get your spy goggles ready?
Yeah.
Show me your spy goggles. At home, show me your spy goggles. Awesome, good job. All right, are you guys ready to go see what Ollie's up to in the clubhouse?
Yeah.
All right, are you guys ready?
See where I
See where he's at. All right, give me a thumbs up if you're ready.
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go.
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse. Purple? I like purple. Oh, hey friends, welcome to the clubhouse. It's me, Poppy, and my friend Manny left us a fun I Spy game to play. We're supposed to find things in the clubhouse that matches the color of the card, purple. There are this many purple things in the clubhouse. 1, 2, 3. Manny says there are 3 purple things in the clubhouse. Let's look low first. I spy with my little eye something purple. The purple ball. That's one. Let's search up high for another purple thing. I spy with my little eye something else purple. Our periscope is purple. Yay, we found 2 purple things. But we need 3 purple things. I still don't see anything purple. Oh, maybe I need a different view. I still don't spy anything else purple.
Ho, ho.
It's Ollie.
Hello, Poppy. Ho, ho. Trying the upside-down view, are you?
Hey, Ollie. Manny says there are 3 purple things in the clubhouse. I'm sure he's telling the truth, but I just can't find the last purple thing.
What Manny is saying is true. I know someone else who told the truth, too. So let's hear the story. Just follow me through. Ho, ho.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
I spy a mailbox. Oh, hi friends. I'm Justin the mailman, and I'm ready for a game of I Spy. Can you show me your I Spy eyes like this? Looking good. I think we're ready. I've got the story mail. Our true story is about a man named Paul. Paul believed in Jesus. He wrote letters telling people that Jesus is alive. Some of those letters are right here in the Bible. Paul also traveled to cities to tell people Jesus is alive. One of those cities was called Rome. Rome was a big, beautiful city, and lots of people lived there. Do you see a big, beautiful city with lots of people? Look with me. I spy with my little eye a big, beautiful city with lots of people. The people in Rome were very smart, and they liked to talk about important things. So while Paul was in Rome, he talked with the people about Jesus. Paul knew that nothing is more important than Jesus. Lots and lots of people came to hear what Paul had to say about Jesus. He would start talking about Jesus when the sun came up early in the morning. Do you see the sun coming up? Help me look for it. I spy with my little eye the morning sun. And Paul would keep talking about Jesus until the sun went down and the moon came up late at night. Do you see the moon? Help me look for it. I spy with my little eye the moon. Paul told the people that Jesus is telling the truth. Jesus is telling the truth when he says he's God's son. Jesus is telling the truth when he says if you believe in him, you will be his friend forever. Jesus is telling the truth when he says he loves us and will never leave us. Everything Jesus says is the truth, so we can believe him. Do you see someone who tells the truth? I spy with my little eye Jesus. Many of the people who heard what Paul said about Jesus believed in Jesus and decided to follow him. And because Jesus tells the truth, we can believe in him too. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who can believe in Jesus?
I can believe in Jesus. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can believe in Jesus?
I can believe in Jesus. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. I'll see you next time.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus tells the truth, and that we can believe Jesus too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Ho, ho.
Wow, everything Jesus says is true, and we can believe it. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good! I believe Manny's telling the truth, so I'm gonna keep looking for the third purple thing. Can you help me? Oh, the C in our clubhouse sign is purple. We found all three. Well, see you next time. Bye.
These are written so that you may believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God. John 20:31. These are written so that you may believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God. John 20:31.
Wasn't that a great Bible story? We used our spy goggles. Can you show me your spy goggles, Parker? Can you show me your spy goggles? Those are awesome. We learned that Jesus tells the truth, right, Parker?
Yeah.
And because Jesus tells the truth, we can trust him and trust what he says. All right, are you ready for the memory verse?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do it slow and you repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
These are written
These are written.
so that you may believe
They believe
that Jesus is
Jesus is the Christ,
the Christ,
the Son of God.
the Son of God.
John 20,
John 20,
21.
31. Good job, Parker. Give me 5. And air 5 to you guys at home. Great job. All right, let's do it one more time.
Okay.
All together. Slow. These are written
These are written
so that you may believe
they believe
that Jesus is
Jesus is
the Christ, the Son of God. John 20, 31. All right, awesome job, Parker. All right, bye guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Bye.